Have you ever noticed how much people love taking quick quizzes online? From trivia challenges to music guess games, quiz content always gets tons of engagement. But here's the real question. What if you could actually turn those fun little quizzes into YouTube videos that make money for you without even showing your face? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share something fresh and different with you. It's called Quiz Video Maker. And if you've been looking for a simple way to create faceless content that gets views and builds daily income streams, you're going to love this. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. What the software is, how it works, the key features, plus the pricing and available upgrades. Especially the handy bonuses you can get from my team if you grab this offer through this video. So, what exactly is Quiz Video Maker? It's an AI-powered software that helps you create interactive, play-along style quiz videos in just minutes. The cool part is, you don't need to be on camera. You don't need expensive gear, and you don't have to waste hours editing. The software does everything for you, from generating questions and answers to creating natural voiceovers, adding engaging images, background music, countdown timers, and even fun animations. All you have to do is type in your quiz content, and Quiz Video Maker instantly turns it into a professional-looking video ready to publish on YouTube. In short, it's the easiest way to build faceless quiz videos that people actually want to watch, and that can bring in consistent YouTube income. Now, let's talk about what makes Quiz Video Maker such an interesting opportunity. First of all, it's built specifically for quiz videos. Unlike generic video tools where you have to struggle with templates, this one is laser-focused on the kind of content people love to engage with. Second, it's lightning fast. You can create a complete quiz video in minutes, not hours. That means you can upload more frequently and grow your channel faster. Third, you're not limited to just one niche. You can create quizzes in any topic you can imagine: history, music, sports, science, or even trending pop culture. That opens up endless possibilities for reaching different audiences. Another big highlight is that there's zero learning curve. Seriously, if you can type, you can create. The software handles the heavy lifting. And finally, it's faceless by design. This is perfect for people who want to run a YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera. The software makes sure your content looks and sounds great while you stay comfortably behind the scenes. Let's check how this software works in action.
A couple of weeks ago, I came across this YouTube channel, and there are other channels like it. I'm just using this one as an example. So this channel is called Quiz Blitz, and you might have seen the kind of videos that they make for this channel. They're those quiz videos. So it'll ask you a question, then it'll wait, 5 or 10 seconds, and then it'll give you the answer. And people love these kinds of videos for multiple reasons. They're fun, they're interactive, they get to show off a little bit of their knowledge, and they get to learn some new stuff as well. So if you get the answer wrong, you also get to learn something as well. This is what makes these kinds of videos super popular. Even better, since it's a quiz video and people are pretty much interacting with the video, people tend to stay on the video longer. Longer time on the video means more ads that get shown, means you make more money as an owner of the channel. Now, you can see this particular channel has released many videos. So here's one that just got released 3 hours ago, and it already has 818 views. One that was released just a day ago has 11,000 views. And the ones that were released a couple of months ago are up to the tens, if not hundreds of thousands of views. They have over 1.4 million subscribers. There is definitely a market for these types of videos. There's people that want to watch them, people that want to have fun playing these quiz games, and it's also good quality content. You're giving people informational content, educational content, so it's great for both kids and adults. Also, you can have quiz videos in a variety of niches, so you have a wide net that you can cast to appeal to people with these kinds of videos. And if I go over to Social Blade, you can actually see in the last 30 days, they've had 15 million views. And Social Blade is estimating that they're making between 3.9, so say $4,000 and $62,000 a month. Now, this is quite a spread because it depends on how they're monetizing the channel, but between 4 and 62,000, we can safely estimate that they're probably generating about $20,000 a month making these quiz videos. And they're also providing valuable content to people while they're doing it. That is a double win. Now, I had the idea a couple of weeks ago to make an instructional video to teach people how to make these kinds of quiz videos. And then I realized that there's actually a lot involved. You need to know how to use video editing software. You need to record the audio to go over the video. You need to have background music. You need to have graphics. You need to have a lot of stuff to make these videos. So I kind of shelved that idea. I was like, well, it's going to be too hard to teach people how to make these kinds of quiz videos. People aren't going to want to learn how to use all kinds of editing software and stuff. It's probably not going to be something people are interested in. And then I had a stroke of genius. I thought to myself, why don't I just build an AI software that will automatically create these kinds of videos for you, that will let you just enter in what you want your quiz to be about, and it will do everything else. It will create the graphics, it will create the animations, it will create the voiceover, it will do it all for you. That would make this a much more viable way for people to make money online, because we know there's a market for it, and now it'll be super easy to build these kinds of videos. So that's exactly what I did. Let me go ahead and show it to you. So this is my newest software, Quiz Video Maker. And as you can see, I've been using it extensively as I've been testing. So the first thing you want to do in order to use it is go ahead and click on My Account, and it's going to ask you to upload your logo. So this is going to be the branding logo for your quizzes. You can see I actually just used AI to create a quick and easy logo for me. I uploaded it and everything is set up. There are no AI APIs to integrate or anything like that. I cover all of that for you. In order to create a quiz, all you got to do is go ahead and click on New Video, and it's going to ask you for a couple of simple things. The very first thing is going to be the topic of your quiz. So enter in what you want your quiz to be about. So I've entered in fun facts about the universe. It's then going to ask you for your opening and your closing text. Now, this is the words that the narrator is going to speak before the quiz starts and after the quiz starts. And as you can see, there's some default text in there. I'm just going to leave it at the default text for this demo. The default opening is "Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge." And the default closing text is "Thanks for playing. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe." It's then going to ask you for your voice, your timer style, and your background music. Now, the voice is simply the voice of the narrator that's asking the questions in the quiz. The timer style is going to be the style of timer that it shows after the question is asked and before the answer is shown. And there's a couple of different timer styles you can pick from: modern, cartoon, spark, cinematic, fun, retro. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select fire because I think that one looks cool. I'm also going to change my voice to Nick because I like that voice. And it's going to ask me for the background music for my quiz. You can't have a quiz without background music because it'll just sound boring. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select some background music that I like here. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue. So now the AI is generating my quiz. It's creating the questions and it's creating all the images that are going to show on it. Once that's done, it's going to go ahead and start rendering my quiz. And you can see it actually works quite fast. So there we go. It's created all of the images for my quiz. It's going to take me back over to the main dashboard. You can see there is my new quiz right there. And it will take about 5 minutes for the quiz to completely render to a video. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this until that is done. Okay, so my quiz has been completely rendered. I can go ahead and watch it, and we will watch it together in a second. I can also click these 3 dots and download the quiz and then upload it to my YouTube channel. And in this way, I can very quickly and easily create these kinds of quiz videos that people are hungry for. Build up a YouTube channel, build up a following, get those views, get those subscribers, and start making money from YouTube ads and other YouTube methods. All right, let's check out the quiz together.
Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge. What is the estimated age of the universe? approximately 13.8 billion years old. How many galaxies are estimated to be in the observable universe? Roughly 2 trillion galaxies. What is the largest known structure in the universe? The Great Wall of Galaxies, specifically the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. What is the temperature of the cosmic microwave background radiation? About 2.7 Kelvin. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Saturn, with over 80 confirmed moons.
All right, now let's go a bit deeper into the features you get inside Quiz Video Maker. First, you get the Quiz Video Maker software. You can create unlimited videos with no restrictions, so there's no limit to how big you can grow your channel. You'll have access to different timer styles, background music options, and multiple AI voices to make your quizzes engaging and professional. You can add your own logo branding inside every video, which is perfect if you're building a recognizable channel or protecting your content. And since it runs on the cloud, you get fast rendering. That means no waiting forever for videos to process. Just create, render, and publish. But it doesn't stop there. You also get a quick start training package. It teaches you how to pick hot quiz topics so you're not guessing what will work. You'll learn how to title and thumbnail your videos in a way that grabs clicks and boosts your views. And you'll even get a guide on how to upload on a proven schedule that helps trigger the YouTube algorithm and grow your channel much faster. So, not only do you get the tool, but you also get the training that shows you how to actually succeed with it. I know you're probably wondering, what does a video actually look like when it's made with this software? Well, let me show you a quick sample so you can see it in action.
Let's see how much you know about making money online and have a chance to learn a few new things. What is one of the most popular ways to make money online? Freelancing, which by the way is what top internet marketer Brett Rutecki did at first. Which platform is commonly used for selling handmade or vintage items? Etsy. What online activity involves creating and monetizing content on platforms like YouTube? Content creation or social media marketing? Which method allows individuals to earn money by promoting products and earning a commission on sales? Affiliate marketing. How much money is generated online every year? Over $6 trillion. Thanks for playing. Let Brett know how many you got right in the comments.
All right, now let's take a look at what's actually inside the funnel. First up, the front-end offer. Right now, you can grab full access for just $24.95 as a one-time payment. And let me be clear, that's not a monthly fee, not a subscription. It's a single payment and the software is completely yours. When you think about everything included, unlimited video creation, built-in voiceovers, branding, fast cloud rendering, plus the quick start training, it's honestly a crazy good deal. Most tools that do even half of this charge ongoing fees. But here, you're getting lifetime access for less than $25. Even better, this is an early bird price, which means it won't stay this low for long. The price will be going up soon, so if you want to lock in the lowest cost, the best time to grab it is right now. And just to make it risk-free, you're also covered by a 14-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it, create a few quiz videos, and if you're not impressed, simply ask for a refund. No stress, no risk. Now, moving on to the first upgrade, Quiz Video Maker Unlimited. Here's what you unlock. Create unlimited quiz videos. The front end already gives you a lot, but this upgrade removes every limit. You can pump out as many quiz videos as you want, grow your channel faster, and never worry about restrictions. No QVM branding on your videos. Your content is 100% yours. No logos, no watermarks, just clean, professional videos that showcase your brand only. Premium front-of-the-line support. And if you ever run into a question or issue, you'll get priority support. That means faster responses, less waiting, and more time focusing on growing your channel. And finally, we have the second upgrade, the agency license. And this one is a game changer if you've ever wanted to run your own software business. Here's what it includes. Create unlimited accounts to QVM. You can generate as many accounts as you like, which means you can actually build and scale your own client base. Sell Quiz Video Maker accounts as your own product. Keep 100% of the profits while offering customers a ready-made, in-demand video creation tool under your own brand. They handle updates and support. The best part? You don't have to worry about the technical side. Fleet creators take care of all the updates and customer support while you simply focus on making sales.